Good morning. We are so excited. We passed our move-in inspection yesterday to get our occupancy permit. So we are currently, gosh, it's bright. We are currently at our storage unit here, and we're getting all the stuff out to move into our house. Woo, buddy. First load is loaded on the trailer. My car's packed tight too. And then you can see what's left. We still have a lot left to get out. But first load is done. I'm gonna go pick up some pizza. We're gonna take all this back to the house and eat the pizza, unload this load, and then our appliances are getting delivered between 12 and 4, so we gotta go. So I just got home here to unload our first load of stuff from the storage unit, and the basement is so clean. There's still water from where James mopped it, but he took everything out, burned all the trash, he swept the whole basement and he mopped it. It looks really good. It has been an absolute disaster down here for months, so it's nice that it's finally clean. So we have somewhere to put all of our stuff when we unload all of our stuff. Making the template for granite countertops. Elias's giant dirt pile that was there is gone and he's so upset, but I'm excited because we have a backyard now. All the topsoil got spread out. Now we just need to plant some grass seed. And they also got the front of the house done. James is picking up all the loose rocks out of our yard and he's dumping them in our rock pile here. And then we're gonna plant grass seed. He's also disking as well. James got all the disking done. Looks much better, the ground is. Day number 2 of moving. James and his dad are here today. They both got up really early, went to the storage unit and got the rest of the stuff out. Yesterday ended up being such a frustrating afternoon. The appliances never showed up. They were supposed to come between 12 and 4. We had an email and a phone confirmation that they were coming and they never came. At 4:30, we called KitchenAid to ask where the appliances were, and they said that they had to reschedule our shipping for next Friday. So there's nothing we could do about it at this point. So now we're gonna live in the house for a week without appliances, but whatever. Anyway, so we're gonna move everything in today, and that's about it. All right, here are 2 trailers full of stuff that we need to get into the house. We did it. It's all done. We just got everything from the vehicles moved into the house. Now James and his dad are working on the back of the house. They have the chimney that we need to get the metal part on the top of the chimney, so they're doing that now. There he is. What's that metal thing called?
What metal thing? This is a ladder.
No, the metal thing that you're... Shut up. The metal thing that you're going to put on top of there.
It's a ladder. This is a piece of plywood.
No, I know. The actual metal thing that's going to go up there. What's it called?
Chase cover. Chimney
Chase cover. So he'll be putting that chimney chase cover up. There's Donald Duck. Here's the view. On top of this chimney, we've just had a piece of plywood up there, so that's what they're taking down now, and then they'll put up that chimney chase cover. So they got that down. Now James is actually inside the chimney, and I'm gonna go get him the pieces to put together in there. These are the 3 pieces, and each one has 2 pieces, an inside and an outside. I just carried them upstairs, and now I gotta get these out onto the roof and carry them around to the boys so that they can put it up there in the chimney. Pulling up the last piece of pipe to go in the chimney. We came up short, so now we got these tiny foot-long pieces we're gonna put on to see if it'll make it long enough. It's got the metal cap on, the chase cover. Looks good. So We are working on grouting in the master bathroom today. The tile was already done previously, but now we're putting the grout down so you can see behind me. I'm putting the grout down and then James is going behind me and he's wiping the extra off and it looks really good.
It's my birthday.
It is his birthday! Mr. Handsome's birthday.
She forgot.
I did not forget. I made him a big breakfast. We had bacon, eggs, and cinnamon rolls. His 3 favorite breakfast things. All right, we're gonna get back to work here. We're making progress. I just put all that down. Now James is wiping it up. Looks good. We already got all this over here done. I really like this color grout that we found. It's like a really light gray. We got the floor done. And we're just waiting for all of this to finish drying. And then we'll be able to do the final mop up to get all that dust and stuff. Okay, much better. Just got everything mopped up, looks good. We're picking up all the rocks in the yard. There are rocks everywhere. Now we gotta go dump them. But there are so many more rocks we gotta get picked up. Ugh. We just carried the vanity in for the master bath. The floor is still drying from the last time I mopped it. But we also got the bathtub in over there. Everything's dirty, we gotta clean everything off, but I'm liking how it's looking. This has the functional drawers on the bottom here, and then it's got the drawers in the middle. Then we're gonna have 2 overmount sinks. James is doing the plumbing for our vanity. Okay, that works. Yeah.
Looks terrible, but that's okay.
Who cares what it looks like? It's gonna be behind our drawers. No one's ever gonna see it. I think it looks great. What are you doing, crazy pants? I just got finished painting the master bath. I really like the color. I wanted a white, but I didn't want it to be just white. This is like a really light gray white. It's called Frosty White. It's a Sherwin-Williams color. You can't really tell on the walls that it's painted. But if you look over here, you can, because that's where I started painting this wall. But then I decided that this is going to be white with shiplap above the vanity. James started stoning yesterday while I was at work. So this is what he got done for the fireplace. Under there, we're gonna have some wooden doors, and that's where our DVD player and stuff's gonna go. And we're having a fire. We didn't have any cut firewood, so we just cut up a 2x4 and put it in there. It works. And here are the appliances. We have the refrigerator. I have no idea what that is, or what that is, or what any of that is. But apparently, it's a stove cooktop, a fridge, an insert oven and microwave combo, dishwasher, and I think a hood, a range hood. So there's our appliances. Okay, I'm getting the appliances in. James just put in the insert dishwasher. It was snug, but we got the dishwasher in. I like it. And here's the fridge. Here is the cooktop. We do have to cut these out to slide it down in there so that it's flat, but there it is. It's a 5-burner. It's electric. I like it. And Elias really likes the box. You having fun? That is our insert double oven microwave combo. I really like that. We're working on putting up more stone on the fireplace here. James did just get both of our corbels on. So here's one and there's the other one. We're gonna have a wood mantle, but we really liked the look of the rock corbels, so we did purchase those when we purchased the stone. Okay, so today we have all this 1/4-inch plywood behind me here. We're gonna cut it into 8-inch strips with this so that we can use it for shiplap in our bathroom. Got them all cut. Now I just gotta start putting them up and painting them. Working more on the fireplace tonight. He has to box that part in with wood where the extra space is above the fireplace. You have to put concrete board on that when you're done? Yeah. Okay. Go you let go. He's riding a dinosaur around the house. Got the piece of concrete board on here. Now we're putting the stone on. Well, that didn't go as planned. So we started to put the stone up on this part where the wire meshing is now, and we knocked all these stones that were off because that metal part actually moves when you push on it. Now we're just putting on the scratch coat of mortar on that metal meshing. We have to wait for this to dry, so we won't be able to put the stone on until tomorrow. It's Easter Sunday, so we're getting more work done as usual. We're working on stoning this, and both kids are sleeping. Elias is sleeping here. Levi is sleeping upstairs, and James just got finished doing some stuff here in the kitchen. He put in my range hood. We do still have to connect that to the ceiling and put all the crown molding that connects to the ceiling, but we'll get that done eventually. It's good. And then in the bedroom, we put up the shiplap that you see here in the bedroom, and I'm gonna be working on painting that this week. Good morning. I've been slacking on recording these past few days, but I worked a few days and I was off yesterday, and then here we are today. So yesterday and this morning, I pretty much just prepped the whole house for carpet that's coming today and granite, and for the rest of our cabinets that are coming either today, tomorrow, or early next week. So the carpet people are currently on their way. I'll take some pictures of that progress as they're working. And behind me here, you can see the kitchen. I took pretty much everything out that was on top of the cabinets that are already there and cleaned up everything really good. And then in our bedroom, I had to take everything out because we had our mattress and like our clothes and stuff in there because we've been living in the house for, I don't know, almost 2 weeks now. And so behind me here, you can see that there's literally nothing in the bedroom anymore. I took everything out. I had to scrape up all the putty and stuff that was stuck to the ground, sweep all that out, and now we're ready. And look where I put the couch. I put the couch in the living room, and the boys are running around and playing on the couches and the mattress, and it's a mess, but it's fine because they're having a good time. The carpet pad is down in the master bedroom. Next, we'll be getting the carpet laid out. The granite is done. Please excuse the food the kids were eating. We still have to put that in because James has to rewire up the stovetop cooker. But anyway, here we go. Granite is here. And then all over there, and then we've got the bar top. And here is our sink. We gotta let it sit overnight. Looks really good. Now James is working on re-wiring up the cooktop. We originally went ahead and just temporarily wired up the cooktop for the past 10 days so we would have something to cook on while we lived here. So he did that. But then we had to disconnect it all to have the granite put in today, so now he's putting it back together. And this is the faucet that I picked out. I absolutely love this. It's an industrial style faucet, and James is gonna install that tonight as well. Good morning. James was up very early this morning. James, you little rat. Anyway, they're out here working on the ridge caps. They've been out here working since like 7 a.m. It's cold today. They're up there putting in blocking and I don't know, whatever else they're doing because the roof is coming in this week. Actually, it's being delivered today. I'm sorry.
The ceiling.
You're always correcting me. The ceiling is coming in today for the wraparound porch, so we'll get all this in and all that in over the next week. The carpet is done in all the rooms and it looks great. Here's the boys' closet upstairs. And then their little playroom that's attached to their room. And here's the guest bedroom upstairs. Carpet looks good. Carpet in the room that the boys are sleeping in now. Yeah, I know there's stuff all over the place. We're still not moved in yet. Working on the stone again today. We got the TV on for the kids, but we got to get that top part done. James wanted to finish it, so he's putting up the last piece of stone. Hallelujah! Oh my gosh. That took so long, but it's finished. Looks really good.